Can you kill bacteria just by pressing fingers against each other? How does daily life's mechanical forces interact with microorganisms? You ever step on a cardboard box and it just falls apart? Now, have you ever stepped on a tiny cardboard box and it takes more effort to crush? Small things can be quite strong, not to mention that your fingertips have crevices where bacteria can sit and be safe from any crushing. Single quote closing square bracket. The mechanical integrity of bacteria generally is derived from the cell wall. Despite their small size, most can withstand great amounts of pressure. In fact, you can isolate bacteria by putting them in a centrifuge with 10,000-fold gravity, or even more, and most bacteria can easily withstand that. So no, you probably can't crush most bacteria with your fingers. Quote closing square bracket. I think I remember reading somewhere that gonorrhea, or more specifically the bacterium Neisseria gonorrhoeae, is the strongest living thing on Earth relative to its mass. If that's true, and true for other microorganisms, it might not be possible to damage many bacteria by pinching. They may resist the force. Bacteria suspensions are commonly centrifuged at over 5,000 grams of acceleration with a water column of about 10 centimeters while surviving. This should result in a hydrostatic pressure of 5,000 kilopascals. That's 50 bars of pressure. It's unlikely you could reach that with your hands. Mechanical forces are likely the reason we keep our teeth, toothbrush, and skin, scrubbing, clean. The mechanical action of scrubbing the surface works in disrupting cell membranes. Soap plays a secondary role by aiding the disruption of biological membranes, but the mechanical disruption is obligatory. A good way of thinking about this is imagining crushing any type of tissue, for example when tenderizing meat, or imagine running over your foot, and #X200B. The damage caused is literally cells being smashed and damaged. The resulting carnage is a combination of large clumps of tissue, cells, that hasn't been damaged, mixed in with various clumps of tissue, cells, that have been damaged. You probably won't kill bacteria that way. But if you take a titanium hammer and bash your fingers with incredible force until they are unrecognizable as anything other than a bloody, pulpy mess, you'll probably kill something.